Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you the easiest way to follow along with me as we are taking notes as a class. So earlier today I told you that you needed Microsoft Teams open, your reader's notebook, and the hub, right? So I have those three things open at the top of my screen. The way that we're going to be taking notes is we are going to start on slide, it's 29 in mine. I'm not sure what it is in yours, but it's the first one after race. So I'm going to go to slide 29, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the tab and I'm going to pull it out into a new window, right? So it has its own new window. It is the only tab open. But then I'm going to restore it down, right? So the button between the line and the X. So it's smaller, and I'm just going to make it take up about half the screen, right? Then I'm going to go back to the window that has Microsoft Teams and the hub open, and I'm going to make sure I'm on Teams. Mine isn't working right now because I use the app. But I'm going to take Teams, I'm going to make it smaller and take it to the second side. So you will be able to watch me and what I'm doing here and then be typing here. So first thing I need you to do on your notebook is insert, and then you are going to do a text box on this whole right side right here. And you are going to title this text box, What Good Readers Do. But Miss Salyer, it's so small. I know, babe. Let me show you how to fix it. These three little buttons right here that say more, you're going to click those and you're going to bump it up. I think mine's at a 24. There you go. And we are ready to